Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of CBR method. Question is given as CBR test was conducted over soil subgrade and following results were obtained. Assume curve throughout convex, following materials are required to be used over the soil subgrade. That is the compact soil whose CBR value is 6%, poorly graded gravel whose CBR value is 12%, well graded gravel whose CBR value is 60% and bituminous surface whose thickness is 4 cm. Now we have to design the pavement using CBR value if wheel load is 4100 kg and tire pressure is 7 kg per centimeter square. Now load is given at 2.5 mm penetration, that is 60 kg, and at 5 mm penetration, that is 82 kg. Now we know that CBR value for subgrade is given by this formula, that is at 2.5 mm penetration it will be equals to load at 2.5 mm penetration divided by 1370 into 100. Now load at 2.5 mm penetration will be equals to 60. So the formula will be equals to 60 divided by 1370 into 100 and CBR value will be equals to 4.38%. Similarly, we can determine the CBR value for 5 mm penetration, which will be equals to load at 5 mm penetration divided by 2055 into 100. After putting the value, that is 82 divided by 2055 into 100, we will have the CBR value equals to 3.99%. Now the final CBR value will be equals to the maximum of these two, that is 4.38%. So we will write here CBR equals to 4.38%. Now T1 is the thickness above subgrade, T2 is the thickness above compacted soil and T3 is the thickness above poorly graded gravel. Now we have to determine the value of T1, T2 and T3. Now we know that thickness required above subgrade can be determined by the formula, that is under root of 1.75 P upon CBR value minus P upon pi P. So T1 will be equals to under root of 1.75, the value of P is 4100 and the CBR value is already calculated, that is 4.38 minus 4100 upon pi into 7. It will be equals to 38.10 centimeter. Now we have to determine the value of T2, that is the thickness above compacted soil, which will be find out by the formula, that is under root of 1.75 P, that is 4100 upon CBR value, which is already given in the question, that is 6% for compacted soil, minus 4100 upon pi into 7. After solving this, we will have the T2 value equals to 31.77 centimeter. Similarly, we can find the T3 value, that is thickness above poorly graded gravel, which will be equals to under root of 1.75 into 4100 divided by CBR value, which is given in the question, that is 12%, minus 4100 upon pi into 7. So it will be equals to 20.28 centimeter. Now we have to find the individual thickness, that is the thickness of compacted soil will be equals to 38.10, that is T1, minus 31.77, that is T2. So it will be equals to 6.33 centimeter. Now we have to find the thickness of poorly graded gravel, that is T2 minus T3. It will be equals to 31.77 minus 20.28. It will be equals to 11.49 centimeter. Similarly, we have to find the value of well graded gravel, which will be equals to T3 minus the thickness of bituminous layer, that is 4 centimeter. So it will be equals to 20.28 minus 4, which will be equals to 16.28 centimeter. And the value of thickness of bituminous layer is already given in the question, that is 4 centimeter. So we had find the thickness of all the layers. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.